Hey there, I'm Jerry Ann Sheely. By God's grace, His wisdom, and provision, I have been able to help my family, including our 6 children, to stay away from antibiotics and move through viruses and colds quite comfortably for nearly 20 years. Herbal teas are a great way to support the body when you are dealing with colds and viruses. Peppermint leaf, raspberry leaf, elderflowers, yarrow, hyssop, and ginger all have properties to support mucus congestion and the inflammation of our mucous membranes. When brewing an herbal tea specifically for its medicinal actions, it is recommended that you allow it to steep a bit longer than your typical teas. There is no harm in allowing your tea to sit on a warmer. This allows for the hot water to draw out the medicinal properties. Just don't boil the delicate leaves and damage their useful properties.